Okay, so hopefully this doesn't autofocus too much because I reset my camera because it's having some problems. But the first thing I'm gonna pick up, well, this whole look is gonna include the Shaaanxo Remix palette. First shade I'm going to take is this hot pink shade. It's called Baby Girl, and I'm gonna take my MAC 224 blush and just put that into my crease. Now the colors are very pigmented in the shadow, but I'm still gonna layer it on so it can be like diffused, you know. Now with this, I'm going in windshield wiper motions, and I'm also like doing little circles to blend out the color. Next, I'm going to go in with the small dome brush and then go into this dark purple shade underneath the hot pink shade, and this is called Vampette. And put that in my crease. We'll put it lower into the crease. The hot pink was kind of like the transition color, so you actually want to put this color in your crease. I'm dipping back into that shade to get the intensity that I want, and then blending it out the same way I did the hot pink shade. See that? Let me zoom in a little more closer for y'all. Alright, now I'm just gonna put this on the outer third and inner third. And I'm gonna keep blending that so it can melt into the pink shade. I'm gonna go back in with that MAC 224 brush with no product on it, just blending that in. To cut the crease, to make the halo eye, I'm going to take my e.l.f. this concealer and my MAC 226 brush. Looks just like this. I'm just going to dip into the product a little, and from the brush of the product, I'm going to take my brush and pick up a little and cut the crease. Take your product that's already on your brush, place it in the center of your lid. If you have hooded eyes like me, you want to like see how it's already gonna transfer. Yeah, so just look down or look up, whatever you prefer, and go back into that crease. Yeah, just go back in and create your halo line. Grab more product if needed. Okay, so just like that. Mine doesn't look even. I'm not too sure why it doesn't look even. Actually, I know why, because my eyelids are ridiculous. Okay, so once you're done with that, take a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take, there's two sides to the palette, so this bottom side, or top side, whatever. I'm going to flip it over and take this nude color and mix it in with the shimmer shade next to it with this flat eyeshadow brush. Tell her!
Yes, my love. Gang shit, what's good, squad?
It's ugly ass.
She love me.
I love you. I love him. Alright, back to what I say, y'all. Alright, so now I'm done with that, I'm gonna take this shimmery color here. Oh, I didn't even tell you what the colors were. This plain cream color is called Clarity. This one's called Holy Grail, and this one is called Glow Baby. I'm taking Glow Baby and then open up the other side of the palette and taking this golden shade. It's called Island Glow, and I'm still putting that to cover the halo part of my eye. Okay, so this will look like so. Once you're done with that, we're gonna go back in with that hot pink shade called Baby Girl. But not with the 226 brush, with the brush that we packed the dark purple color on. Blend that into the halo eye and the dark. And with the same brush, I'm gonna go into the purple color just to intensify the outer corner. I should go with some black, but I don't wanna ruin it. But yeah. Once you did all that stuff, it's going to cover up the halo eye. So just go back in with the clarity shade, which is that beige color over here in the palette. And like I said, it doesn't really matter what shimmy shade you use, but just take your flat eyeshadow brush and create a little spotlight. A little bit of extra product and go around the halo spotlight, whatever you want to call it, just so that part can pop, just like so. Here we go. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna put this color back in the middle. Look at my eyelids, they're two different, like they're not even like symmetrical, which is bothering me, but I'm gonna go back in with the Clarity and Holy Grail, and I'm gonna make myself okay, it looks a little bit better. Go back in with Baby Doll. That. Next, still with the same brush. I'm using this brush like everything, yeah. Going with Baby Doll and just smoke out the under your lash line at the bottom. And with this flat eyeshadow brush, this is Shany Cosmetics E17 eyeshadow buffer brush. I'm gonna go in with that dark shade and put it really close to my bottom lashes and smoke it out. That. I'm gonna throw on some mascara. This is the Maybelline Great Lash. I'm gonna comb my top and bottom. First I'm gonna curl my lashes and comb my top and bottom, and I'll be back on camera to apply my lashes. And I'll see you. Okay, so I'm taking these Ardell FauxMinks in the style Odal number 810. They look like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they look like that. So I'm just gonna put those things on. There's also a video on my channel in depth on how to put on eyelashes. I'll link it in the credits above. Definitely go watch it. I think it's helpful, so go watch it. I also forgot another step in the eyeshadow process. I'm taking this palette, my Lancome palette, and you know I love my inner corner highlights, so I'm gonna pop this shimmy shade in the inner corners with this little pencil brush. I forgot to mention that the leftover eyeshadows I used for my lid, I also put that on my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply my NyxLingerie liquid lipstick and the color Delicate Lust. Once that dries, I'm gonna take my Alpha eyebrow pencil in the color brown and use that to outline my lips. I use this eyeliner buffer brush just to melt the colors into each other. I'm going with this brown in the outer corner. Looks good to me. On camera it looks oldie ashy maybe because I'm in front of like the sunlight, but it looks pretty good. So the last thing I'm gonna do is just spray my face with this Milani Make It Last spray. Guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I did creating it. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and turn on my notification bell, and see you in the next video.